y'all? It is your girl Angelle, and welcome back to Angelle's Life. If you are new here, welcome. I am a style blogger that is currently building her very own capsule wardrobe. So a lot of my videos recently have been revolving around building my capsule wardrobe because that's the direction that I'm shifting my style into. And it is a bit of a high-low luxury capsule wardrobe, and it's also a bit unorthodox compared to a lot of other capsule wardrobes out there. So I am very excited, and I'm so excited that you're here. Thank you for going on this journey with me. To continue going on this journey, please hit that subscribe button to subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. So today we have an unboxing. So I do want to say this really quick. Y'all, we are building we are buying with intention because we are building a capsule wardrobe, okay? If y'all are looking for hauls, y'all are not going to get them here, okay? I don't have a luxury haul money, so you're not going to get that here, okay? But you're going to get piece by piece, and we're going to build brick by brick, okay? Come on, the foundation. So y'all, I am so excited. I know I spoke previously in my building my capsule wardrobe video. One of my goals is to buy more black brands, buy more black luxury brands. So I'm so excited to unbox what I have for y'all today. Okay, so I first saw this like cardigan dress. Honestly, y'all, I don't remember where the hell I first saw this cardigan dress, but I know from the moment that I saw it, I wanted it. I ended up buying a dupe of it from Zara. It was kind of dupe-ish. It was actually this same color before Hanifa even dropped this color. Zara had did this color, and I bought it from Zara, and I returned it because I was not in love with it. Lo and behold, this came out like a month later, and this is not cheap, y'all. This cardigan dress is not cheap in the least. We already know this, but we are having less. I feel like it is okay to invest more, spend a little bit more for things that you plan on keeping forever. So originally I wanted the green, right? And I didn't get the green for two reasons. One, I didn't want to wait until March, okay? I had to pre-order it. I'm impatient, which is crazy because I'm building a capsule wardrobe. Patience is a part of my lifestyle now, y'all. I'm working. Rome was not built in a day. Give me some time. One, I didn't want to wait until then. And then two, when I saw the colors. First of all, I love pink. I love magenta. I love pink. But I'm like, oh, I'm not going to be able to wear that in the fall. Oh, I'm not going to be able to wear that in the winter. Oh, I'm not going to be able to wear that. Girl. I had to channel my Tanika B, okay? I had to channel it. And I was like, no, we're going to get this pink. We love this pink. Like, don't get me wrong. I absolutely think the green would go with more. For sure, hands down. However, I loved the pink more. I was in love with the pink. So I did go the unconventional way and get the pink. But it's okay. Because we're going to do the damn thing. We're going to make it work. So, y'all. Here is, mind you, and this is my first time pulling it out. Like, this first impression, first time everything. So, first impression is it is very soft. This is a very soft, like, cardigan sweater. So, I'm going to go ahead and stand up. So, I got an extra, I got an extra, I think it's an extra small, or maybe it's just like extra. Okay, so it's an extra small. That's the size that I got. So, y'all, first of all, oh my God, look at it. Look at it on my skin, my little bald head, my little blonde. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Stop playing with me. Y'all, it is every weight. Oh, okay. Yeah, I was about to be like, wait, don't the strap come with this? Did you? Strap. So, look. So, I'm just gonna, like, obviously, I'll do, like, a side by side, and I'll have it like on completely, but we'll just throw it on really quick. So I have seen some of the girls cuff it like this. I don't know if I'm gonna cuff it like this, but just for the sake of the video, like, cause it's so long. It's like wizard sleeves, abracadabra. Like, um, we'll just cuff this for a second for the sake of the video. But y'all, like, I mean, I should have the side by side here, but it is down to the floor. But it is y'all. This pink color is beautiful. It is beautiful. Like, it's a work of art. It is a work of art. Like, we don't, y'all. So I did we have already discussed that the cardigan dress is not cheap. I paid $270 for it. Okay? $270. Yep, that's how much it costs, but we love it. We don't care. Yes, just everything. Like, this is, it is so, what it is, it's very grandiose. It's very extra, especially with this color. It's very grandiose. It's very extra, and I love it. So on the skin, it feels so soft. I think it's made out of 100% like Korean acrylic or acrylic knit or something like that. I'm not sure what that means, y'all. But what I will say is it feels completely soft. It's not itchy. It's not scratchy. It feels great. Obviously, y'all have seen it is very long, but I will be wearing it with heels most of the time anyway. Preferably my gold Michael Kors platforms. I think they will look so cute together. Such a cute girl. A moment. A moment. But I'm not going to make this video long. I am going to be doing some styling down the line. So I'm not going to be doing the styling in this video. This is just an unboxing, my initial review of it. It took me, now mind you, y'all know I'm in the UK. I got it sent to my P.O. box, which is a US address. It took, so it took them about a week to send it out. It took about a week to send it out, even though it was in stock. It wasn't a pre-order. Altogether, it took maybe about 2.5 weeks for me to get it. And that's not bad. Girl, I was checking every day, though. I was checking every day, waiting on it at the door. Okay? So it was fast. Shipping was free. And, yeah. And we are here. We are here. We have it. Y'all, this color is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. Like, I feel like the camera isn't even doing it justice. And it, like, I feel like so much that I bought in 2021 was like this color, because I realized like this is such a beautiful color on me. Oh, it's so soft. It feels luxurious. It feels luxurious, and I could imagine me having it forever, like easily. Easily. I am going to figure out how to wash it. I'm not sure. Maybe it has to be dry cleaned. I don't know. But absolutely love it. Absolutely love it, and there is nothing else to say. This is just one piece adding to our capsule wardrobe, and we're going to talk about how to style it, how we're going to wear it, and so on and so forth down the line. But I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching. Let me know what y'all think down in the comment section. Do you have this sweater or this cardigan dress? Would you be getting this cardigan dress? Yeah, let me know what y'all think down in the comment section. I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.